Welcome back to the 4Traders How-To series. Today we'll take a look at chart settings and how to set up your chart. First of all, let's open a chart. I will use, for example, Euro USD. Before we go into specific settings, let's go through the toolbar options. The first chart option is the type of chart. You can choose between three types: bar, candle, and line chart. The best option for trading is the candle chart because it gives more information about the market, when the candle opens, when it closes, and where the candle reaches its highest and lowest points. That's why every trader uses the candle chart. Next to it, you will find the zoom in, zoom out options. I guess everyone knows how those work, so let's move forward. Here we have the arrange option for your open charts. If you click on it, it will arrange all of your open charts next to each other. Right after this, we have the shift settings. Simply put, if you click on this, it will shift your chart to the left, and clicking the other way will shift it back. Now we go to time frames. In MT5, you have time frames from 1 minute to 1 month. What does that mean? It's simple. If you choose, for example, the 5-minute time frame, it means that every candle on this chart lasted exactly 5 minutes. Higher time frames are mostly used to identify overall market trends and major support and resistance levels. On the other hand, lower time frames are used to find precise entries and exits, monitor intraday market movements, or capture small, quick price moves. Next to the time frames, you will find drawing tools like trend lines, Fibonacci, and others. Now, how to edit your chart. If you right-click inside your open chart and go to the very last option, you will find Properties. In Properties, there are three sections: Common, Show, and Colors. Under Common, you will find settings that we already went through in the toolbar. Under Show, you can choose what you want to display in your chart. For example, you can remove the grid and tick volumes if you want to. Now to Colors. Here you can change the colors of basically anything you see in the chart. You can choose from 4 presets, or you can customize everything exactly as you like. And that's it for chart editing in MT5. In the next episode, we'll dive into how to open trades, so see you there.